Hey traders, we're 30 minutes into the open. Big day trading. Let's go over what's hitting the tape. Snow. Love this one in Snowflake. We saw a buyer 7 minutes into the opening bell, the 162.5 calls. And you see that right here, 7 minutes into the opening bell. So right in here, the stock is ripping up 4%. We saw the weekly calls as well. The weekly 160s hitting here. So some nice repeat call buying this morning in Snowflake. And we see the big move in the stock. AI, we saw right before the close yesterday at 3:40 p.m. and 3:50 p.m., so 20 and 10 minutes into the closing bell. We saw weekly put buyers of the 30 and 29 puts. Shares are down nearly 13% today. These puts are up triple digits already this morning in AI. Look at this move, 152%, 143%. That is why you need the option scanner to take big trades just like that in AI. Seeing some nice Google call buying today. The weekly 105 calls. Look at Google ripping while the NASDAQ is not doing much. And those Roblox calls that I mentioned this morning on the Mastermind call, these jump the April 47s. Look at this move here in Roblox here. They hit these yesterday at 2:28 p.m., so right up in here. Those Roblox April 47 calls, $190,000, so a nice big bet. Those calls went from $1.85 to $2.85 overnight. Got me some Unity Software calls with the stock up 2%. We mentioned Roblox, Unity, any dips. Get in this morning, and now those stocks are ripping up higher. Gotta love it when your trade plan works out perfectly like we saw. You got to get the option scanner. I got a training today at 3 p.m. for members who got the early release of the option scanner, and then I'm doing my final webinar on it at 1 p.m. If you don't have it, call in, attend at 1 p.m. Eastern, going live, and that will be the last hoorah up until probably a few more months when it goes not only up in price, but you get the official release. So, whew, fantastic day trading, and we're only 35 minutes into the opening bell. Gotta love it.